Have you ever wondered how to build a successful career in UI/UX design? Today we will unravel that mystery, breaking it down into clear, manageable steps. Step 1. Understand the basics. UI stands for user interface, the graphical layout of an application. UX, on the other hand, stands for user experience, which involves the process of enhancing customer satisfaction by improving usability and interaction with the product. Understanding these terms and their implications is the foundation of a career in UI/UX design. Step 2. Get your hands on the right tools. Today's designers need to be familiar with a variety of software, including Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, and InVision. These tools allow you to create interactive prototypes, collaborate with team members, and translate your designs into code. Step 3. Learn the principles of good design. This includes understanding color theory, typography, layout, and composition. It also means knowing how to create a seamless user flow and how to make a design responsive for different devices. Step 4. Practice. Like any other skill, UI/UX design requires practice. Start by redesigning existing websites or apps or creating your own from scratch. This will help you understand the process from start to finish and give you a portfolio to show potential employers. Step 5. Network. Connect with other professionals in the field, attend industry events, and join online communities. Networking not only helps you learn from others, but it can also open doors to job opportunities. Step 6. Stay updated. The world of UI/UX design is always evolving. Keep up with the latest trends and technologies by reading industry blogs, attending webinars, and taking online courses. Step 7. Build a strong portfolio. A portfolio is a designer's best friend. It showcases your skills, creativity, and understanding of the design process. Make sure to include a variety of projects that highlight different aspects of your abilities. Step 8. Never stop learning. The field of UI/UX design is dynamic. New tools, techniques, and trends are constantly emerging. Stay ahead of the curve by continuing to learn and grow. And finally, step 9. Be patient. Building a successful career in UI/UX design doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right approach and mindset, you can make it happen. In conclusion, building a successful career in UI/UX design involves understanding the basics, mastering the right tools, learning the principles of good design, practicing networking, staying updated, building a strong portfolio, continuous learning, and patience. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that first step today and embark on your journey to a successful career in UI/UX design.